3, 2, 1.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Saturday morning. We're on the way to the job to go do some saw cuts. I got the wife with me. I got the baby with me. And of course, we got Bambi with us.
Hello, YouTube followers and friends. And thank you for coming with us today to do saw cuts.
Guys, this is a Makita battery-powered concrete saw. This thing runs on batteries, man, and it's a monster. This thing is a monster. I ain't gotta say it with a doubt. All this discoloration and it'll all bleach out white here in like a week or so. You know the deal. All right, sir, thank you. Are you happy with the job?
Yes, I am.